This is not our home.
Boots, etc. First stop today. Look at these racks. It's like a water. It's like a plumbing thing. It's definitely fixable. Oh, you can lift it up. Ooh, that's neat. There we go.
Yep, another rabbit here.
Why are they on clearance? We don't care.
No, I really don't.
They got kids on clearance? Because this is great.
These are half price right here.
Yeah, let's go see if they got any kids on clearance.
Is it meant for a pocket?
Yeah, like that maybe. This one's nice right here.
Clearance
Oh,
at all?
it's available for Dad. You and Daddy can match.
I want a dark little one.
These kind look really. You need this kind. These are the other end of this one. Oh yeah.
Hi.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Okay, I'm gonna have a seat right here. What's on, I wonder? Oh, it's somebody working on boots. Okay. Hello, sir. He's wanting to do the collar up look today. Looks good. And the t-shirt up under look also. He didn't want to take that off. Oh, I like that blue. See that color of that bench over there?
Yeah.
That's nice. That almost matches that table we have on the back porch. What are you getting, Tyler?
Chicken spoon.
We're going to see King of Kings. One of y'all told us about it in the comments the other day. Smell that? That's movie theater butter right there. Yep, that's yours.
Mama.
Okay. Is that good? No, the chairs aren't going to move. He thinks we're at like the Skyfly
No,
ride or
baby,
something.
they ain't gonna move like that.
I like this candy and this drink.
What kind of drink you got, Spady? The blue can?
Yeah. We're in a movie theater, so that's why it's kind of dark in here.
Yeah.
This is not our home.
This is not our home, right?
Yeah, this is just a movie theater that we're at.
But it's probably gonna be fun. Show them what kind of snack you got there, Spady.
This is
Starburst.
mini Starburst.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah, because they're easier to eat real quick.
That was a good little movie for these kids.
Yeah.
Couple more to get to
Yep, that's right. Good morning, everybody. Happy Easter. We're about to make the peanut butter pie. We didn't get home until late last night from the movie, so I decided I'd just make this morning. My Cool Whip is already thawed. I put it in the refrigerator last night. I might need to soften the cream cheese just a little bit more in the microwave. I sat it out earlier this morning, but it might need just a little bit more. We're going to mix it with the KitchenAid. The only other thing I'm going to do this morning, I think, is just sit out the rolls. Since we went to the movie, I didn't have time to make that carrot bread yesterday because we were gone pretty much all day. We left just a little bit after lunch and didn't get home until, I think, around close to 10, maybe 9:30 or so. We should be eating by 2 o'clock today, so this peanut butter pie will have plenty of time in the refrigerator. I think the cream cheese is soft enough. I'm making the peanut butter pie right now. I got bacon in the oven. This peanut butter pie here is a family favorite. It's kind of like a peanut butter cheesecake. We usually make it every holiday now because it's the kids' favorite. But yeah, it's kind of like a peanut butter cheesecake almost. No bake. I'm looking for my, oh, y'all, I'm so crazy. I took this out of here and sat it over there, and I was looking up there for it. Okay. We'll mix together the cream cheese and the peanut butter. And the amount of peanut butter just depends on how peanut buttery you want it. We usually do anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. Some of the kids even ask for this for their birthday sometimes instead of a cake. And I was gonna get, if y'all missed the video the other day, I was gonna get some of the little Reese's Pieces eggs, but I couldn't find any of those this year because I thought it would be cute to put a little toasted coconut nest on top with the Reese's peanut butter eggs since it's peanut butter pie. But I couldn't find any, so then I was just gonna substitute it for the little mini Whoppers bird's egg things, but Walmart was all sold out of the mini ones of those, so we'll just put a little Reese's candy on top or something. We'll mix that together. We're putting in just a little bit of sugar, a couple tablespoons. Okay, we'll scrape this down, mix it just a little more, and then we're going to add the whole 8-ounce container of thawed whipped topping. Starting to smell that bacon. It'll be waking kids up in a minute.
The rooster wakes us up and the bacon wakes them up.
Right. Okay, there's the whipped topping. Now we just pour this into the pie crust. I got a 10-inch this time because most of the time we have a little bit of the peanut butter filling left over, so I'm thinking it'll fill this up. I made a fluffernutter pie a couple of months ago that I liked even better than this peanut butter pie, but the kids still like this one the best. It's pretty much the same as this one. You substitute marshmallow fluff instead of the cream cheese. I thought that one was great. So if you don't like cream cheese, you might like that peanut butter pie better than this one, because this one is really cheesecakey. The other one's, you know, fluffy and marshmallowy. We'll just put one mini Reese's right there in the middle. There we go. That's it. It's going in the refrigerator. We've put whipped cream and stuff on top of them before too, so you can do that. Maybe chocolate sprinkles. It's really good.